Hi my beautiful friends, this is Roshni. Welcome back to my channel Real Beauty. Today I am going to share with you all how to make natural DIY facial massage cream. It's too much beneficial for skin and suitable for all skin types. Today I have taken just for 4 ingredients. And I know it's available in everyone's home. Natural facial massage cream has no types of chemical. It's totally homemade and it gives the skin smooth and glossy tone. It's too much essential for our skin. It removes different types of flaws on our skin, removes dark spots, blemishes, suntan and impurity, dirt. Believe me, it's too much beneficial for skin. Use it every day. Massage just for 5 minutes. If you use this facial massage cream regularly, then you will get glossy, smooth, soft and youthful skin. So let's start. And if you here for first time, most welcome. With those who are viewing my video first, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for latest update, because I will share more attractive video with you all. To make sure subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for latest update. And always check my description box. Other link of my videos are given there, and follow me Instagram, Facebook page and Twitter. All links are provided in the description box. Follow me for sure and also watch the video till the end. So let's start how I am made. For face massage cream, I have taken rice. You can use the rice available in your home. Here I have taken half bowl of rice. See, I have washed the rice properly. Now I will leave it for 20 minutes so that the rice gets soft. Next I have taken coconut. See, I have cut them into pieces. Now I will mix them and extract the milk. After 20 minutes I have mixed the rice and also I have mixed the coconut. Now strain them in a strainer. See, it's half full. Now follow me how I have done it. Keep the gas in low flame and keep stirring. See, it's already made. Now turn off the gas and keep it for cool down. After cooling down, mix 10 drops of vitamin E oil. Next, I have taken my favorite lavender essential oil. You can use any types of essential oil if you wish. Then mix them well. Then I will store it in an empty container. So finally face massage cream is ready. Keep it in a fridge for 1 week. I am showing you by applying it. See how nice. So let's see the massage. A face massage calms your mind, rejuvenates your skin and relaxes your face muscles. It's like a workout but for your face. It increases blood flow and tightens the skin, deep cleansing the pores, helps in reducing puffiness and much more. Time to wrap up for today. Hope you enjoy the video. If you do so, like the video, please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for latest update. And always check my description box. Follow me Instagram, Facebook page and Twitter. All links are provided in the description box. Follow me for sure, and always be well. Take care. Bye.